Hi, I am York from Test Equipment Depot, and I'm here to introduce the Weller WLC100 adjustable power soldering station. It features an on-off switch and a power on indicator light. It has variable power control, produces 5 to 40 watts. This is a quality lightweight pencil iron, and it's ideal for hobbyists, and this one's especially good for working on electronic equipment, and also good for do-it-yourselfers and students. And it includes the stand, the sponge, and the tip. Thank you for watching. I am York from Test Equipment Depot.